Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have a review and flip through of this amazing book by Ava Brown, Lovely Dresses adult coloring book. Now, this book is a very unique by Ava Brown. What they have done within their book and their images is far different from a lot of the other dresses sort of featured books that I've seen. So when I start flipping through it, I'll explain to you and let you see what I'm talking about. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so like I said, this is a flip through and review video. You're going to have a little commentary to hear what I think. But of course, you know the Dollar Diva has to talk about what's going on in this book. So first, we have the title, and they say that they strive to publish unique coloring books for all ages, and that is so true. And you'll see what I mean when I get into the flip through. So they say if you found this coloring book enjoyable, please leave them a 5-star review, guys. If you enjoy a coloring book, please don't forget to leave them that 5-star review on Amazon. It really helps their books to get out there. It lets other people know who depend on those reviews to decide whether they want to purchase the book or not. So don't forget to leave those 5-star reviews, guys. And this is definitely a 5-star review type of book, okay? They give you their website. So let's get into it. All right, your first page here is your color test page where you can test your markers, your pencils, and see how they perform. In this book, just remember if you're going to use markers or any other medium, even if you're going to use colored pencils, even though it's one-sided, I would recommend you always using a blotter page behind your images. Because even if you press hard with colored pencils, sometimes, it still can, transfer to the other page, and that will be taking ink from this page. So you don't want that to happen. So if you see something or see an image that you want to see a little closer or get a little longer look at, just pause the video if you need to, and just, take a closer look at the image while I'm flipping through. But what I want to tell you guys about this book is, first and foremost, the images of the ladies are beautiful. I mean, stunning. They are so realistic looking. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's amazing. And I just am floored with what Ava Brown has done with these images. They have given us something unique, all right? Now, most coloring books that feature like a women's dress or women of the world or some type of fashion coloring book, they don't give you backgrounds, okay? They only give you the woman, and she's just standing there with a blank background with nothing behind her. And it's just, you just have to just color the woman and be happy with it. Maybe put a soft pastel background or something, and that's it. But they don't give you a background like Ava Brown has done. That is absolutely, totally unique. I have not seen another fashion or woman's dresses coloring book that has done this, guys. This is amazing. I have been praying and hoping and praying for a coloring book to come out like this one. Another thing, guys, is with the background, you can make it what you want to make it. They make the images and the backgrounds so simple on most of these pages. The background is so simple. You can add as much texture as you would like. You can just straight color it if you like. You can put your pastels where the clouds are, and you can, if there's water somewhere, you can do that if you'd like. And some of the dresses are patterned like this one. So you can make this dress, you can do whatever you want to it. But, some of the dresses, like this one, are plain and simple. So you can add your own patterns to most of the dresses in here. The same is for the backgrounds. You can do as much to these buildings as you would like. You can do as much to this sky as you would like. You can give it more texture. You can make it more stones on the sidewalk. Oh, she's just hot to death. I can't fool with her. But she got it going on. That's all I gotta say. And I love the difference. I love the different cultures, and just each picture has a different vibe. I mean, it's just, oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. So, like I said, you can make this into like marble up here. You can do like a marble technique, or you can just color it plain. You know, it's just, oh my goodness. I'm just like itching to death to get into this book. Oh my goodness. It's like, this is going to be amazing. You can make this door back here a plain red, or you can make it into like a wood. Use your Koh-i-Noor tritones and make it wood, and make those little panes. You can make those glass, or you can make those wood. You can make this art textured stone look. It's just so much you can do with this book. I am just amazed. Ava Brown, 100 stars. We're not going to give you 5 stars on Amazon. We're going to give you 100. How about that? Oh my goodness, guys. This is just an amazing book. The mountains behind her, they are drawn simply, but as I said before, you can add as much texture as you would like. Okay, so they tell you duplicate pages start here, so you get a second chance to color your images. They are so amazing. Oh my goodness. So they say if you make a mistake, don't worry about it. We got you. We got you a second copy. Look how thick this book is. And then they say share it with a friend. If you want to do a buddy color with your friend, go ahead. Ava Brown, you are just amazing. And then look at what they say here, guys. The download link and password are located on the last page of this book. Now, I'm not going to show you that downloaded page because I don't want nobody getting any bright ideas. But it's here. Now, what's interesting, there's another book company that has stopped doing that, which hurts my soul. But Ava Brown has healed it, because I love to print my images off on PDFs, because sometimes I want to put them on watercolor paper and, you know, or cardstock. But let me just talk about the paper in this book for 1 second. The paper in this book is very nice. I really, really like the texture and the feel of it. It's not super thin, and it's not like the Amazon printed paper. I don't know. If it is Amazon printed paper, then it is just, it's better than it used to be. So let's say, for example, you want to make this lady here a hairdresser. Look at that background. You can totally make that into like a hair salon background. Those can be the counters. That can be a bottle of shampoo and conditioner. It's just, you can do so much with this book, guys. Oh my goodness. You can make, you know, this background, the wallpaper, you can make it different. You can just, it's just so much you can do. It's so much you can do. I'm just so excited, guys. So that's that. That is the Ava Brown Lovely Dresses coloring book. Guys, run and get you your copy, because I know for sure we're going to be doing some color alongs and buddy colors and coloring chats out of this book. Please go and get it, because like I said, This is a unique one, guys. I have not seen one like this. So guys, please, 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 please don't forget to leave Ava Brown Company a 5-star review on Amazon because this book is amazing. And thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big old thumbs up. And if you enjoy adult coloring, please give this video a big old thumbs up. I will have the link for this book where you can go directly to it down in the description below. And don't forget to consider subscribing to the channel because that will help me out tremendously, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Also, don't forget to ring that bell, guys, so that you will not miss the next episode from the Dollar Diva. All right, guys, thank you for joining me and hanging out for this little while with me. And as always, happy coloring. Bye.